Welcome back, and joining us now is Saurabh Gadgil. He's Chairman and MD at PN Gadgil Company. Saurabh, hi, thank you so much for joining in. And it's Gudi Padwa over the weekend, and you have a very strong base in Maharashtra. But the Gudi Padwa this time is coming at a time when you have the gold prices at all-time highs and nearly 40% higher from where they were in the previous festival. How are you looking at the prices and its impact on buying?
Good afternoon, Manisha. Wishing all you and all the viewers a very happy Gudi Padwa. As you know, Gudi Padwa is an event in Maharashtra which is unmissable. It's one of the Sadetin Muhurat, as they call it. And I think this day people don't look at prices. They will buy because they believe in the authenticity and they believe in the auspiciousness of this festival. So I think prices should not be a deterrent. Gudi Padwa will see good footfalls. And I think in Maharashtra, especially since it's the start of a new year, new beginnings, every family would like to have some kind of gold jewelry, coin, bars in their household on this auspicious day. So we are very positive on the Gudi Padwa. Plus, it's being on a weekend, falling on a Sunday, will further add to people's convenience. So it will be a day-long shopping activity, not only limited to evening times. And I think after people do a puja in the morning with the Gudi Pujan, they should be out shopping. And I think it's going to be an entire packed day with good shopping expected on this Gudi Padwa.
Saurabh, you have been in news for some expansions that you've done in the recent few months. So with that, what is the total store count right now? And with the new financial year beginning, what are the expansion plans?
So in September, we had IPO, and post that we've almost added 12 stores post IPO and 16 stores in this financial year. So it's been a good journey. Now we are almost present in all the parts of Maharashtra, and this has enabled us to further deepen our reach and strength in this state. Today, we think that we should be either first or second in terms of number of stores and the largest player in the state. Having said this, the journey will continue ahead in the coming year. We have said time and again that we would be moving like the Peshwas did after Maharashtra. So the journey will move to Central India, and in the upcoming financial year, we should be looking at a state outside Maharashtra where the journey would continue. When it comes to number of stores, we'll be adding another 12 stores of PNG in the upcoming financial year. And along with that, we'll be looking at a format of a lightweight jewelry, which is called LiteStyle by PNG. And that would be adding another 12 stores of LiteStyle by PNG. So in total, the addition would be around 25 stores in the upcoming financial year.
Lightweight jewelry called Lifestyle, you said?
LITE. LiteStyle by PNG.
LiteStyle, okay.
Yeah, so it's light on pocket, high on fashion. And it's jewelry which is both in gold and diamonds. But this is a design which are very funky, fun jewelry, geometric shapes, 18 karat, some in 14 karat, things which are not available at PNG, so will be available here. So
would be available at LiteStyle. Okay. Sort of also, when you talk about the higher prices, the quarter that we are in, which is just ending, the first quarter of this calendar year, hasn't been so great for a lot of jewelers. How has that been for you, volume-wise and value-wise? And are you looking at the quarter coming by, because that is where you have Gudi Padwa and Akshay Tritiya and the wedding season start as well, to be slightly better than what we saw in Q1?
Manisha, always in the jewelry industry, in the financial year, Q1 and Q3 are the two best quarters, which almost account for 60% of the entire year's business. So I think we are excited for the upcoming Q1 of FY 25-26. I think it's coincide with Gudi Padwa, Akshay Tritiya, the entire wedding season, and the bullishness in the market, and with things looking better in terms of people's confidence in investments, people's overall consumption. I think the upcoming quarter should be good. Talking about this current quarter, the Q4 of FY 24-25, I think has been a little muted when it comes to jewelry in volume side. I think because we have grown and we have a number of stores that we added, we should see a positive impact both in volume and value. I think value-wise, the impact would be higher, 25-30%. But in volume also, we should see a single-digit positive growth. So all in all, it's been a decent quarter. Bullion has been strong and has continued to remain strong. So this is an indication that people's belief in gold, people's belief in investing in gold is really rock solid. Prices are going up, but people's faith that gold would still be a safety haven, would still continue to scale new heights is very strong. So I think considering that the quarter should be okay, the Q4 should be decent. Value, I think the entire industry will show growth along with us, and we are bullish on this Q1 because that's a time when wedding shopping will happen.
Right.
Our newly launched Polki collection, color stone.
We take that point, Saurabh. Thank you so much for joining in and giving us your updates on that. 25 to 30% growth in the fourth quarter in terms of value, and single-digit volume growth is what you are anticipating, with 12 stores to be added in the next financial year as well. The interesting move is that on the light jewelry. It will be very interesting to see where and how fast that can scale up as well, given a lot of the other companies are planning this, light on pocket sort of jewelry as well. We saw it from Titan with Carrot Lane, Candier for Kalyan Jewellers, and now you wanting to go that same space as well. Thank you. Wish you a very happy Gudi Padwa. With that, we'll take your leave on this edition of Halftime Report. The news that the market's trying to make an attempt to the recovery. The Nifty is now, recovered a little bit from the lows, and that's largely on account of Bharti Airtel as well as ICICI Bank. Both those stocks in the higher end of today's trading range. So we'll keep an eye out on how this, moves on in the second half of trade. For that, we'll leave it to the team of Business Lunch to take the market action ahead. Thank you for watching.